You're sure that's vegan? Do you want to try some? Here, try a... You're sure that's vegan? It says 100% vegan. That tastes like cheddar cheese. Texture, everything.
There's no difference at all.
There's no difference. That's cheddar cheese. Vegan. No animals were harmed. Well, let's see how it melts. Do another layer. And the cheese, yeah, this is all from Walmart. I'll get the package out of the freezer of this, because this is really good as well. Here, try a bite of this. It's a little chilled, but try a bite of that and tell me what you think. I mean, it's not supposed to taste exactly like meat. It's not meat. It's more like lentils or something.
No, but anybody could be fooled with it.
It's like meat. It tastes like kind of like meat. Anybody could be fooled.
Yeah, I think can't really tell the difference.
Yeah, and just adding that bit of...
That little bit of sauces that you put on made a difference, I think.
Yeah, it did. It gave it that heavier meat flavor. Other than that, without it, because meat has got a real heavy, greasy flavor to it, and adding the sauces gave it that heavy, greasy that you would get from meat. Is that good, or do we want another layer?
No, that's good.
Just do a little more of this, and then a little more cheese. Save some for a sandwich, maybe? Let's see how well this melts. I'll get the... So this ground, faux ground beef, ground round, original veggie ground round, is Eve's. Ives? Eve's.
Ives.
Ives. And it's nice. Walmart. you get the package of 4, which we just used the one package for all of that. Package of 4 looks like a steak, but what's
You
it?
can probably use that for macaroni as well, I mean for spaghetti meat
Right?
sauce.
Meat sauce, like on the package there. Now, what's the ingredients? So ingredients is water, soy protein concentrate, onions, natural flavors, the yeast extract. These meat substitutes, it's not an everyday thing, but it's for something fun. Like if you want nachos and cheese.
Right.
Everybody craves nachos and cheese, right? Even when you get the burger patties, everybody craves a burger. Right? Or the spicy sausages. But it's not, obviously not something you're going to want to eat every single day.
No.
But for fun, for a movie with your nachos or, quick, or if you have a meat eater that's transitioning into non-animal, it's great. Kind of the lines,
Yeah.
but, there is a melt. That's nice. Oh yeah, there is a melt.
Smells good too.
That's good. You want to try it? Might be a little hot. Yes. Just need to figure out a vegan sour cream and then it'll be perfect. Because I like sour cream with my nachos.
Well, they should have a dairy-free sour cream.
Mm-hmm. Or make one.
Well, that's perfect.
Is that good? That pass?
Absolutely.